Yo, what's up, guys? Look what I just got in the mail. The Aventek Tenkara rod. And I just figured I would do a little unboxing with you guys. Okay, so let's take a look at it. We'll open it up together here. This is the 7-foot. What I ordered here. Let me take a look at the back of the box. This is a budget Tenkara rod. Probably the cheapest one on Amazon. I paid around $40 for it. Comes with a little carrying tube. This out. Uh-oh, this just came out of the bag. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be coming out like that. Hope it's not damaged. And here it is. This little cap off right here. Okay, so this is just an extra if this one breaks. So it is 8 foot. It's all in one piece. That's good. Great. Comes with 3 flies. I bought the kit version. I've never actually fly fished before, so this will be a first time fly fishing and Tenkara fishing. Comes with the I think this is like just like a nipper tool is what they call it. It helps with all the strings and ropes and wires and stuff. Got right here we have the cap rod. Some string, some threaded string. This was the hook holder for when you're out in the field. And some fluorocarbon string. Alright. Oh, and this. This is like a string holder and hook holder so you can like transport easily. Advertised as just being able to. Okay. Let me share some of the specs with you guys. So this is the 8-foot rod. The 8 foot. I thought it was the 7, but it is actually the 8. The 8-foot one. It is fiberglass. It actually weighs less than 1 pound. It's 0.37 pounds is one of the reasons I got this. I wanted to get a nice backpacking fly fishing rod, and a Tenkara rod was exactly what I was looking for. It's a beginner rod, so if I like it, I might buy a more expensive one. I'll let you guys get a closer look at these flies. Alright, I'm going to take it out into the field and see how it performs.